My goofy up. My goofy up.
Welcome to No Pros RC.
Illuminate a little bit of imagination. Now who the hell telling me to leave the basement? It's over, face it. It's been too long, there's a new replacement. Y'all to learn some patience. 9 to 5s ain't allowed, that's a slave. Money come quick, even quicker when it go. Money come quick, something burnt in your soul. No, you can't fit the hoe, cause you ain't in control. If your money, ain't a funny how it goes. Money come quick, even quicker when it go. Money come quick, something burnt in your soul. No, you can't fit the hoe, cause you ain't in control. If your money, ain't a funny how it goes. Follow in my footsteps, I say hello, 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 hello. You can't do what I do, that's just something you don't.
Okay, so there you have it, the Kyosho Mini-Z. After many tries and many scratches on the paint later, actually got up there. Definitely need to change these wheels and tires. It made it up, but it's going to be a struggle to get up there. Coming back down was also as sketchy as well, but it did come back down without tipping and falling. So overall, it did it. It's just a challenge getting up there, and you may have to flip the vehicle back over to help get it up there. But both of them made it. If you're new around here, hit that subscribe button and a notification bell so you know when we drop new videos. Leave a comment if you got the Mini-Z Kyosho Jeep or the Axial SCX24 Jeep. As always, thanks for watching, taking your valuable time to watch our video. Y'all be easy. Peace.
Thanks for watching. Like and comment, don't forget to watch more, subscribe.